Log into your Canva account or create a free account. Open the PDF file and click on the link to access templates. Click on the Use Templates button. These are all the editable templates. One click on the image background. Then go to Background Color. Select any color you prefer. Click here for more color options. Select the text you want to edit. Let's change the font size. Or you can drag the text box to adjust the size. Now, let's change the font type. Simply click on the drop-down box and choose the font you like. Please take note on this crown icon. Font with crown icon are mainly for pay user. Next, let's change the font color. Firstly, select the image you want to change. Then, go to Elements. Search the image you like. Once you've found the image, just click on it. Drag the image to the ideal place. Go to top right Share button. Click the Download button. You can save your images in JPG, PNG or PDF format. For this illustration, I will choose PNG. You may also select which image you want to save. Click Done and Download button. Image is downloaded. Thank you and see you next time.